Before adding image and text to my web page, I want to add few style in my web page. This web page I designed for small resolution size, so I make the width 800 pixel of this web page. You can see in coding, width 800 pixel. We set the value width 800 pixel, means our web page is 800 pixel. So in practically, if I open this web page in bigger screen resolution size than 900 pixel by 600 pixels, or if I open this web page on bigger size than I designed for, then the margin between left and right side is not same. Every content floating left. You can see the margin between left and margin between right is not same. In left there is very few margin, and in right sides there is big white space, and everything floating on left sides. So normally these types of problem is common on web design. It's because different people use different screen resolution size, so it's a common problem. So how you can solve this problem? To solve this problem, let's go to coding. Let's open style.css file. Style.css, and it is with Notepad. Now let's go to line 3 and type text align center. It means whatever inside this in our content, it will align center. Do not confuse with just about text. Even if there is image, then it will make center. So now let's save this. Now open index.html file with Internet Explorer. Now you can see the margin between left and right is almost same. Close this Internet Explorer and open it with Firefox. You can see still in Firefox there is problem. You can see the white space on right side. It means this coding is not working for Firefox. So to solve this problem on Firefox, let's go to line 4 and add margin left, and set the value auto. So it will set the value automatically on left side. Copy this, go to line 5 and paste, and change this left to right. Save this style sheet file and refresh the web. Now you can see the margin between margin between right and margin between left is same. So now it doesn't matter which screen are using by users. So this web page looks nice because the margin between left and margin between right is equal. So using 3 lines of coding, we can solve the screen resolution size problem. Text align center, this will make the content on center for Internet Explorer, and margin left and margin right will make content on for Firefox. So If you are using for both web browser, then you have to put these 3 codes, so you can solve the problem. Now you solve the screen resolution size problem. So see you in next video.